Rajiv Jain, past district governor and international endorsee, and election committee chairperson, and Santosh Sethi ji, past international director, and Raju Manwani ji, past district governor, and Chandrasekhar Ghag ji, and Dr. Hemant Dugar ji, and Prashant Patil ji, all the very senior members of our district 3231. At the outset, I would like to thank all the members of District 3231A3 for their affirmative vote. I would also like to congratulate First Vice District Governor elect Lion Dr. Khwaja Mudassar for getting 641 affirmative votes, and
Thank you.
Lion Hemant Rasetia for getting 346 votes and winning this election. I would also like to compliment Lion Saraswati Sankar for her efforts. It's an election and one has to lose and one has to win. But Saraswati Sankar has also done excellent work, and the mandate which has been given by the members, I think I can say it is almost equal. So congratulations to all the members, all the governors for securing this victory in the election. Friends, when this election started, when the process started 2 months back, and when our governor decided to hold this election by e-voting because of the prevailing condition, and when the process started and the selection of vendor and doing so many other formalities, we were having a lot of doubt in our mind. A lot of questions were there: how election will be conducted, how our members of our district will be able to vote themselves, because this is happening for the first time, and we all were quite worried that whether this election will be able to conduct this election in a proper manner. But today I would like to compliment the Governor for your decision which you have taken, going against all the odds and keeping trust on the election committee chairperson and the team working along with him, the committee. And it has been proved today. We are here since morning 9 o'clock, and we have seen the way that the process has been completed right from beginning till end. I can vouch that the system was very much transparent. See, when you start something new, there is always some doubt in your mind, and when you are not able to understand it, the question mark is more on your side. But when you witness, when you involve yourself, you come to know what is going on. So sitting here for from 9 o'clock in the morning, I have understood the way, a lot of pain they have taken in conducting this election, and the system was flawless. Today the morning, I think for half an hour there was some problem because of the network and all that, and people again got panic that we will not be able to complete this election in time. But let me tell you, out of 682 delegates, 664 delegates could vote. 3 votes were rejected for some reasons, and of course 15 people, because of other reason, they could not reach for the voting. If we consider the percentage, it is just 2% of the total registered delegate which could not exercise their vote. So a big thank you and compliments to the election committee chairperson once again for conducting this election in such a fantastic way, and the entire team. I would like to compliment district cabinet, principal district cabinet secretary Harish Bhai, principal district cabinet treasurer Neeraj Bolas, and the entire team working together day and night and making this possible, this election in such a grand way, I can say. And I think this is going to set an example for not only for our district but for others also, that how these elections are being conducted by e-voting. So friends, as far as my plans and policy and other things are concerned, I have already recorded my video which will be live at 6 o'clock. I would request everybody to be there at 6 o'clock. Before me, our first Vice District Governor elect, Land Dr. Mudassar, he is addressing us at 5:45. So kindly be there to listen to our leader, Land Dr. Mudassar, and thereafter I will be talking my acceptance speech, presentation of plans and policy, my team, my theme song, everything. So once again, friend, thank you very much for all your love and affection, and once again, congratulations to both the winning candidates. Thank you very much.